This is how to test a spark plug with a multimeter. First of all, there's two different types of spark plug. One's with resistors in them, see the R in that one, and see the R in the number, BKR5E, and that's BM6A, that's got no R. So there's resistor plugs and non-resistor plugs, and how you test them is slightly different. I'll test the non-resistor first. I'll put the multimeter to the bell test because that's all you need for the non-resistor and put the probe to the top of the spark plug. You can see that what I'm doing there, and the electrode up the middle. See, that means the core, the internal core, that's intact, so we're getting continuity through that. The second test you do on the spark plug to make sure it's good is you test the body of the spark plug. Make sure you get no continuity there. You get continuity there because that's the top, but no continuity all down the plug, only at the core. So that's a straightforward test for a non-resistor plug. For a resistor plug, what you do is you'll put it to 20k, 20,000 ohms on your multimeter, and same test from the top of the plug, or even the side of the plug with that, to the top of the electrode there. And you see we're getting 5.18 there, 5.17, 5.18. That is spot on for that. Anywhere between 5 and 20 and the 20,000 ohms rating, 5 and 15, maybe 5 and 20, is sort of dead on. If it's too high, if it's too near 20, I think it's bad, but definitely 5 is spot on. Between 5 and 10 is what you really want. And if you want to do the second test, that has to stay at 1. You go all along the body to see if you have any other connections. That's staying at 1, so that's perfect. So those two spark plugs are perfect.